Are you a worship leader on a worship team and want to expand your knowledge in the ministry? Whether you're just getting started and need a little direction, or you're a seasoned veteran, this is for you. The Practical Worship Leading Workshop by Worship Pastor Rob NEAL. The workshop will start off Friday evening, March 20th, with the time of worship. Then, we'll start the workshops Saturday morning at 10 with topics like leading a team, building sets and understanding song types, adding team members, tools of the trade, audio systems, mic technique, and more. Our desire is to pour into worship leaders and teams. We want to gather leaders in one space so we can learn from each other and grow together. Register online at robandjen.com. The cost is $30 per person and will include lunch on Saturday, Friday, and Saturday, March 20th and 21st, at the Bridge of Faith, 279 Dairy Road, Poca, West Virginia.